Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the oil sprayer or dispenser, so to say. This is a pretty nice product actually, nowadays quite famous one as well. It comes in this box, so it's a one-click conversion, so precise oil control, one-handed operation and two-in-one spray. And so it can be used for spraying oil. Press the button to activate the spray function, and this prevents unintended oil spraying. Pouring oil, so basically you can pour the oil, press open the button and release it, and then you can have the oil out. And refilling the container, so to refill, uncap the lid by pressing the buckle and basically open up the top. So now let's open up the box and see what we have got inside. There we go. Oops, it's very tough. So this is our bottle. We have a couple of other things as well. So one is a card. Let's see, what is that? So that is the this is cool, so you can put under the bottle actually, and that's our user manual or instructions. So well, pretty straightforward. So it can be used for spraying, for pouring and refilling. Let's open it up, see what we have got. Whoa, actually nice design, really nice design. It's pretty big. So this is something we all use it at home, and everyone pretty much need it. So at one point, if you cook even once a week or something, you always need this. Is really nice product. Great quality, I would say. Really smooth plastic, glass, amazing glass. 500 milliliter, so it's pretty big one. It's perfect thing. And it has basically kind of filter as well in here, which is cool. This is really nice because sometimes you have plants oil or different sort of seed oils and they come with a seed. So this can actually filter out the, let's say, seed and just take the oil out. It has a kind of jack in here which you can use to pump. It's written press the handle to the end, so basically to the end, and check it out. So from here is like spraying, so this can be used for spray. This is open, this is locked, yeah, and basically this is how we can take it out. The cap, pretty nice, I would say, can be washed as well and so on. And if you put it back, you can actually put it in here. Now it's locked. Now we can actually press it in here like this, and if you do it, check it out, the moment I move it with the gravity, it opens up the cap like this. So I try to replicate from side, you can see here, and then you can pour the oil or spray it like this. This is really nice. So this is in particular pretty cool. I have had another one which you can actually press from the top, but after a while they break or they don't work anymore. But this is like a pump. This is really nice. So yeah, that was a quick video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, let me know down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.